Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this blood spatter rhinestone makeup look. To start this look, we're doing the eyes, and here I'm using the About Face red liquid eyeshadow and putting this in the outer and inner corners and blending into the middle. I wanted this look to be very vivid, so I'm starting with red to kind of create a base for the other colors to go on top of. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Berries palette for the dark burgundy shade and putting this in the inner and outer corners. Then using that same palette, I'm using the bright pink shade and using this to blend out the red and going up towards the eyebrows. Then I'm using the Juvia's Place Pinks palette and using pink in the middle of the eye, keeping the very center of the eye blank. Then going underneath the eye with the bright pink, and then along the lower waterline with the dark burgundy. Then adding a thin line of black eyeliner to the top lashes. Then adding mascara and false lashes. For the blood spatter, I'm using a toothbrush and red face paint and dipping the brush in the paint and then splattering it in different spots. I kind of concentrated on the outer corners of the eyes and then across the cheeks, doing random spatters all over the face. Then using a paintbrush and the red face paint for larger splatter areas. Then I'll be using various sizes of red rhinestones. Here I start kind of clustering them around the eye look and putting different clusters of them in different spots on the face and then going over top of some of the splatter marks, but leaving some of the splatter marks just as paint. Just kind of putting them wherever I feel like they fit best and using the rhinestones as a way to sort of highlight different parts of the face. And that completes this Rhinestone Blood Spatter Halloween makeup look. I think this is a way to sort of look scary and pretty at the same time with the use of sparkly rhinestones. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.